Did you know that choosing between a male and female dog can affect your dog's behavior, health, and even how they bond with you? Whether you're considering getting your first dog or adding another furry friend to your family, understanding the differences between male and female dogs might surprise you. Stick around, because today we're breaking down the surprising differences that could help you choose the perfect dog for your lifestyle. Physical differences. Male dogs are larger and heavier than their female counterparts. This difference comes from testosterone, which helps males build more muscle. But how much bigger are they? It depends on the breed. In large breeds like Great Danes, males weigh up to 20 pounds heavier than females. In smaller breeds, the difference may be less noticeable. Female dogs go into heat about twice a year so that they can get pregnant. Male dogs, on the other hand, are constantly producing sperm and don't have heat cycles. Many dog owners choose to spay or neuter their pets, which can help with behavior and prevent certain health problems. Behavioral differences. Male dogs, especially if they aren't neutered, tend to be more dominant and might mark their territory by peeing on things. Yes, even inside your home if they're not trained. They may also try to wander off to find a mate if given the chance. Female dogs, on the other hand, are known to be more independent and can sometimes be moodier, especially if they're not spayed. When females are in heat, they can get anxious, restless, or even aggressive. However, females are often more protective, especially if they've had puppies. How your dog acts will depend a lot on how they're trained, socialized, and cared for from an early age. Both male and female dogs can be loving, well-behaved companions if raised in a positive environment. Training tips for males versus females. When it comes to training, both male and female dogs need consistency, but there are a few things to keep in mind. Male dogs, especially if they're not neutered, can be more easily distracted, especially if there's a female in heat nearby. Keep training sessions short and make sure you use their favorite treats to keep them motivated. Female dogs, especially if they're feeling anxious or moody, might need a more patient and gentle approach. During these times, it's best to offer plenty of praise and take breaks when needed. Health concerns for males versus females. Male and female dogs can also face different health issues. Male dogs are at risk for testicular cancer and prostate issues if they're not neutered. For female dogs, if they aren't spayed, they can develop serious health problems like mammary tumors or uterine infections. The best way to keep your dog healthy is to work with your vet on regular checkups and preventative care, regardless of their gender. Personality and bonding. Male dogs are often described as more playful and goofy. They're more likely to follow you from room to room and crave attention. Female dogs, on the other hand, tend to be more reserved and may form a closer bond with just one person. Every dog is different, and personality can vary greatly from one dog to another. Some studies even suggest female dogs might be more social overall. Lifespan and longevity. You may have heard that female dogs live longer than male dogs. On average, female dogs live about 6 months longer. Why? It might be because females are less likely to roam or get into fights, especially if they're spayed. But remember, your dog's lifespan depends on factors like diet, exercise, and genetics. Which is right for you? Should you choose a male or female dog? The truth is, there's no right or wrong answer. Both male and female dogs have their own unique strengths, behaviors, and health considerations. When choosing your next furry companion, think about your lifestyle, the breed's traits, and most importantly, the individual dog's personality. At the end of the day, whether you pick a boy or a girl dog, the love and bond you build will be just as strong. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tips on living your best life with your four-legged friend.